We have to find all the derivatives of the given function. So at first we're going to rewrite this as 1 minus 5x to the power of -1. And now we're going to differentiate both sides with respect to x repeatedly, and we get that y prime equals derivative with respect to x of 1 minus 5x to the power of -1. And therefore we're going to use chain rule. So at first we take derivative of outer function and we get -1 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -2, and then we'll multiply by derivative of inner function, which is 1 minus 5x, and therefore we get 5 times 1 factorial of 1 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -2. Now I'm going to differentiate first derivative and we get y double prime, so it's going to be derivative with respect to x of 5 times factorial of 1 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -2. Therefore I get 5 factorial of 1, then here we get -2 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -3, and multiply by derivative of inner function, which is 1 minus 5x. Therefore get 5 squared times factorial of 2 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -3. Now we're going to repeat our actions and find double, triple, or y triple prime. So that's going to be derivative of second order derivative. So derivative of 5 squared times factorial of 2 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -3. So that's going to be 5 squared times -3 times factorial of 2 times 1 minus 5x to the power of -4, and times derivative of inner function, which is 1 minus 5x, and therefore we get 5 cubed times factorial 3 and times 1 minus 5x to the power of -4. So in general we can see the common in all derivatives, and therefore nth derivative of the given function equals 5 to the power of n times a factorial of n and times 1 minus 5x to the power of negative times n plus 1. So that's our answer.